Hey everybody, welcome to Titans of CNC Academy. My name is Billy Boyce, and right now I'm going to take you through modeling the TITAN-7M. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do, let's make sure we are in the design workspace, and then we're going to go ahead and create a sketch. I'm going to choose the top plane, and I'm going to do a 2-point rectangle. So we can go create, rectangle, 2-point rectangle. I'm going to click right here, kind of drag down and to the right. I'm going to type in 1.95, tab, 4.375. Enter. Now I'm going to go ahead and come up to create line. I'm just going to click right here, kind of drag this over like this and then like that. I'm going to press D for dimension. I'm going to go from here to here. 3.125. I'm going to go from here to that point, 2.375, enter. We'll go from here to here, 0.475, from here to here, 1.2, enter. Okay, let's go up to modify and we're going to say break. We're just going to touch this line and we're going to see it's going to break right there where the red X is. So I'm going to go ahead and click. I'm going to go ahead and click. I'm going to press escape. Now we can go up to modify, fillet. I'm going to go here and here. Type in 0.1. Now I'm going to go here, here, and here. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to come up here to fillet, modify, fillet again. I'm going to click right here. That's a radius of 0.375. Then also this one. Now we can press enter and we look good. Let's go ahead and right click, press pull. I'm going to select that right there and say minus 0.750 and enter. So that finishes off sheet 1 of 3. Now we can go ahead and move on to sheet 2 of 3. Here we're going to do the counter bored through holes. So let's go ahead and get started on that. We're going to come up to create sketch. Choose that top plane. Let's go ahead and start that off with some points. So we're going to go create, point. I'm just going to drop 4 points down. I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to go ahead and get all these kind of in line with each other so we can do as few dimensions as possible. So I'm going to click that one. I'm going to go this one with that one, this one with that one, and this one with that one. Now I'm going to press escape and then D for dimension. I'm going to dimension from this point right here, from there to here, 0.375, enter, from here to here, 1.750, enter, from here to here. 4. Now we'll do this one again, 0.375, enter, and then we'll only have to do this one here, 1.575, enter, and that looks good. So we'll go ahead and finish the sketch. Now we can come up to create hole. I'll go ahead and click all 4 of the holes. We should have 4 points selected. We're going to go ahead and set it to a distance. Hole type, we're going to do a counter bore. Hole type is just going to be a through hole. Drill point, doesn't really matter. We can keep it at flat. That way we go 750, we make it through. So let's go ahead and go through these settings. We'll go 750 deep. The counter bore is 380 and it's 315 deep. So that's this one here. And then that's going to be a 1/4 inch through hole. We can just go ahead and say okay. And there we go. So that finishes off sheet 2 of 3. Now we can go ahead and move on to the last sheet, 3 of 3. And let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go up to create sketch. We're going to click that top surface. we're going to press O for offset, or we can come up to modify offset. I'm just going to select the edge, and I'm going to type in 0.125. It's going the wrong direction. I can say minus, or I can hit flip. Now I'm going to say OK. I'm going to come over here to create line. I'm just going to do something like this. And I'm going to straighten that out with constraints. So I'm going to say collinear this with that. Everything else looks like it's nice and square. So we'll go to dimension, or press D for dimension. We'll go from here to here and set this dimension at 3.75. Go from here to here. We have a 0.625. Now we can come up to modify trim. Go ahead and trim that off. And let's go ahead and add some fillets. So we'll go modify fillet. We have a 275 corner, so 0.275 there and here. I'll go ahead and press enter. And let's go ahead and do the extrusion. So we'll go right click, press pull, select that and this, say minus 0.25, enter. Now let's go ahead and add some more fillets. So we'll go modify fillet. This one right here is different than the rest of them, so let's do that first. 0.025, enter. Now we'll go modify fillet. We'll do the other corners. And those are 100.1, enter. Okay, that looks good. So now we're going to go ahead and mirror this cut and those fillets and everything. So first thing we need to do is create a construction plane on which to mirror. So we'll go construct, mid plane. Choose the top surface and the bottom, and it'll put that right in the middle. We say OK. Now we're going to go create mirror. I'm going to select the cut down here and the fillets. Now I'll say select my mirror plane. I will choose the one we just created and say OK. Now I'm going to come over here and turn that off. And there we go. So the only thing we need to do now is deburr. So we'll go modify chamfer. Go ahead and do these two right here at 50.05, enter. We can right click, repeat chamfer, and we'll go ahead and select the top of the counterbore, the top edge, the bottom edge, and the bottom of the through holes. We're going to type in 0.01 and enter. And that finishes off the TITAN 7M.